Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to upload and use custom fonts in GetStencil. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com and log in to your account. Open the design you are working on or start a new design. On the left sidebar, click on the text tab to access the font, or you can also select the existing text from here and click on this drop down icon. From here you can select the font. To upload custom font, click on My Fonts option and click on the Upload Font. Custom fonts are available to premium users for GetStencil. If you are on a premium plan, proceed according with these steps. By clicking on this button, you can import the Google fonts. Simply select the font and click on Add to My Font button. After applying your custom font, adjust the font size, color and spacing to match the design and ensure readability. Experiment with various text settings until your design looks perfect. Once you are happy with your design, click Save, then download to export your image. This process allows you to add a unique touch to your design with your brand custom font. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.